The construction of the new Camp Nou is entering a crucial phase, where key structures are coming together and the stadium is starting to take its final shape. In this update, we'll go through the most important developments happening right now. Let's begin with the third tier, which remains one of the most active and important areas right now. Work here is progressing in a structured and phased manner, with crews continuing the installation of large prefabricated sections across different parts of the tier. These elements are being lifted into position, aligned, and permanently secured, gradually completing the upper ring of the stadium. As more of these sections are connected, the overall height and full geometry of the stadium is becoming much more defined. The next key area is the compression ring, which is one of the most technically complex parts of the entire construction. This structure is essential because it will carry the full load of the future roof, and its installation requires precise engineering and coordination. At this stage, significant portions of the compression ring have already been installed, forming a continuous circular band around the top of the stadium. Work is ongoing to connect remaining segments, reinforce joints, and ensure full structural alignment. Construction teams are actively developing terraces, circulation areas, and access points around the stadium. These elements are crucial for defining how the stadium will function on match days, particularly in terms of crowd movement and accessibility. The external structure is gradually evolving, and step by step, the stadium is starting to reflect its final architectural identity. In the VIP and hospitality structural zones, there is also clear and ongoing progress. The elevated rings where premium lounges and exclusive areas will be located are being further developed, with structural frameworks becoming more complete and better defined. Work in these zones focuses on both structural support and spatial layout, ensuring that these areas will deliver a high-end experience once fully completed. One of the most noticeable developments right now is the installation of the Llama's façade panels. Work is actively ongoing in different parts of the stadium, with these panels being installed section by section. This is a major visual step forward, as these panels will ultimately define the outer appearance of the stadium. Alongside that, the installation of sandwich panels is also progressing across multiple areas. These panels play an important role in insulation, enclosure, and structural finishing. Crews are working on placing and securing these panels as part of the broader effort to close off sections of the stadium and move toward interior and exterior completion. This type of work is a strong indicator that the project is advancing into more refined construction stages. In the corner section, beam installation is still progressing, with cranes lifting them into place as workers secure each piece, contributing to the future elevator structure. But the main focus right now is along the front edge of the first cantilever, where installation work is moving quickly. Supports are being added across the entire front line, as crews drill and fix each element into position, clearly shaping the structure that will hold the upcoming facade and protective barrier. Overall, construction activity across the new Camp Nou remains strong and well-coordinated. From large-scale structural assembly in the third tier, to precision engineering in the compression ring, and from support systems to facade installations, every part of the stadium is progressing in a structured and continuous way. Looking ahead, the next major focus will be on completing the compression ring and pushing further into the roof installation phase, alongside continued work on facade systems and structural finishing across all sections. That's it for today's construction update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest updates on the new Camp Nou. See you in the next update.